in other classes somebody is removing others intentionally. That's why
Oh,
I told you to do so.
okay, good, 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 good. Thank you for your
Somebody is
suggestions.
removing teachers also.
Somebody?
Sir, remote teachers
Somebody
also.
is removing teachers
Some
also.
Oh,
muting teachers
Yes,
too.
sir. Muting teachers.
Even sir, when I was commanding you what to do,
hmm.
that time also somebody is muting me numerously.
Okay, it's okay. They are your friend. That's why they are utilizing their time. Okay, it doesn't matter. So let's start our class. We have already started our recording. So, hmm. Can you see this slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
in the last class, we have tried to learn if we have a particular logic, then how to use different gates to implement that logic. Then we have also learned how to simplify those logic circuit using mathematical steps. Okay, but those are very lengthy because sometimes if we have a long big expressions to simplify that expressions, I may have to solve 1,000 lines, so it will be very difficult. Okay, so Carnot was the map is also available, which can be utilized efficiently and effectively to solve different problem quickly. Different problem means here how to simplify a particular circuits. Okay, so in the last class we have started to learn the Carnot map, but there was some issue. That's why we'll try to learn again. Okay, Carnot map. We'll start from Carnot map. Okay, so let's start. Just wait 1 minute. Hmm. My voice is audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
sir.
sir.
okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose I have A, B, and C, three inputs. Those are inputs. And here I am writing outputs, OP, output. And here we have only one output, Y. And I'm writing something, suppose 0, 0, 0, and then the output will be 0. Okay, then if I give 0, 0, 1, arbitrarily we are giving, in the output is also 0. If I give 0, 1, 0, output is also again 0. If I give 0, 1, 1, then suppose output is 1. Suppose this is the first four steps. In this way I can keep going. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so in this way we can make, suppose let's give some 0, 1, 1, 1. Suppose I'm giving the output arbitrarily, doesn't matter. Now the thing is that if I want to get this option here, what is the value of A? What is the value of A? A is 0 in this row,
Zero, sir.
agree?
Yes, sir. Zero.
So I have to write A bar. Okay, what is the value of B? It is 1. So I have to write B. What is the value of C in this row? It is
One.
1. So I have to write only same. Similarly, if I want to express output 0, so that means second row, then corresponding value of A is 0. So I have to write
ABC.
A bar or A prime. Then B is 0, so B prime or B bar. Then C is 1, so C. Similarly, if I want to express this row, that means seventh row. So A is 1, so A, B is 1, so B, C is 0, so C bar. Is it okay? Is it okay? So whenever we are trying to express the output for a particular output, yes, whenever we are trying to express a particular output, suppose I want to express this output, to represent this output, that is 0. Okay, I have to observe the pattern of input. Here we are finding we have three input, A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So first observe A. A is 1, so write only A. Here B is 0, so write B prime. Here C is 0, so write C prime. So the three inputs variable A, B, C are expressed in this way: A, B prime, C prime. to express the input variable 1, 0, 0 respectively. Is it clear right now? Is it clear? Yes.
In
Yes,
second row, output is 0, A, B, C bar, sir.
For which row?
Second row, sir.
Second row. Then what? Bolo?
Output is 0, so we have to write A, B, C bar, sir.
Why? Because A is 0, na?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are saying that it should be A? It should be A prime. That is the convention, na? Okay, so whenever you are trying to solve any particular problem, I have to use these conventions. Okay, so
Okay,
that's
sir.
why.
Hello, sir. I have a doubt in the second row. Sir, A is 0, B is 0, C is 1. Then the output is sir. Output is A, B, C bar.
Why? Again, the same question. The thing is that I am trying to express the output using the input. The input is A, B, and C. Here A is 0, so I have to write A bar. B is 0, I have to write B bar. C is 1, I have to write C. Then if I combine all those things, I will get A bar, B bar, C. Okay, so that's why. So let's try to solve this problem, then the concept may be clear. Okay, now suppose is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I want to apply this same concept, okay, if I want to apply the same concept to solve any particular problem, suppose let's take one problem, two variable problem. Suppose two variable problem are given by f of x comma y. It is given by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, normal. If m1 is given, 1 means, okay, let's write. Suppose x and y, two input, how many combinations will be there? 4 combination.
4.
0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and I am writing its decimal equivalent. What is the decimal equivalent of 0 0? If I have 0 0, so it is 0. So if I have the decimal equivalent of 0 1, it is 1. Then 1 0, it is 2, and then 1 1 means 3. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these decimals equivalent are written in the subscript form. M2, M3, M1. Correct? Is it clear?
What is decimal equivalent, sir?
What is decimal?
Sir, how you found the decimal equivalent?
What is the value
Binary
of
to
decimal
decimal.
equivalent? Binary to decimal, convert it. 0 0,
Oh,
convert
zero.
binary.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it.
So it is
It's
0.
binary
Convert
equivalent.
0 1.
Yes.
Convert
I get
0 1. It is 1. Convert 1 0. It is 2. Convert
Yes,
1
sir, yes,
1. It is 3. So in this way, we are getting binary to decimal equivalent. This decimal
sir.
equivalent is written in this subscript form. So M1 means we are considering this row. Agree? We are considering this row. Here, what is the value? What is the value of x? It is x bar and y. In this case, then M2 is this one. That means we have to consider this row. What is the value of x and y? It is x, y bar. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
M3
Yes, sir.
decimal equivalent is 3, so I have to consider this row. So here, the value of x and y are 1 1. So the corresponding input data set is nothing but xy.
XY.
Okay, this thing is written in this way: x bar y plus x y bar plus xy. Okay, is it clear?
Sir, here we are not and using the AND gate, na sir, between x bar, y, and these terms.
Yes, we are using AND gate. Okay, now I have only two variables, so we need, and I have four data set, 1 2 3 4 data sets. So I have to draw one rectangular box which should have 4 box. Now here I am writing x input, here I am writing y, then x can take how many value? Only 0 and 1, only 0 and 1, you check. So here I am writing 0, here I am writing 1. So when I am writing x equal to 0 means x equal to 0 will denote the first row, x equal to 1 will denote the first second row. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now y can also take 0 and 1. So here I am writing 0 and here I am writing 1. Okay. Okay. Now here when I am giving y equal to 0 means it will consider the first column. When I am saying y equal to 1, that means it is showing second column. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
here what?
1 second.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm not getting.
X can take 0 and 1. So here I am writing 0, here I am writing 1. Okay. So whenever I am showing x equal to 0 means it can take this box and this box. That means it can take the first row. Agree? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When I am saying x equal to 1, that means I have to focus only this row. Is it clear? That means second row. Is it clear?
Sir.
Similarly, when I am denoting y equal to 0, then I have to consider only this column. This column. That means the first column. Is it clear? When I am denoting y equal to 1, then I have to consider the these two boxes. That means the second column. So in this way, different rows and columns has to be identified. Okay. Now, what is the value of x bar and y here? What is the value? It is 0 and 1.
Yes, sir.
It is 0 and 1. Now identify where is 0. X equal to 0 over here. So I have to focus on first row, and y is 1. Yes, first row, second column. So first row, second column. So here I am writing 1. Up to this, is there any doubt? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No,
Is there
sir.
any doubt?
Sir,
Because-
sir. No doubt. sir.
Okay.
Sir,
What is the value of x bar y? Okay, Bolo. What
Excuse
is your doubt? Yes.
Sir, how you are getting x bar y plus x y bar plus xy?
We have already solved this one 5 minutes earlier. अभी तो बहुत कुछ आगे चल गए.
I'm not
Sir.
clear about. Sir.
Not clear, or are you sleeping?
No.
Have you attended from the beginning the class?
Sir, sir, how in I have doubt that in the third line x is means x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Then how the x will be x y bar? I'm not getting that.
How can I understand? That means specify this position, na? In which step you are not getting?
Sir, in third position when x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Means in
X
that
equal to 1 in these positions.
yes, third position equal to 2, sir. Means
This one. This
yes.
one.
Yes, sir.
You convert it, na? You convert binary to decimal. You convert
No, sir.
decimal.
No, sir. Actually, he is trying to saying, as I think, that here it is written x equals to 1 and y is 0 were taken. But how we can write that m2 value into x and y bar? How that 0 can be y bar? I
Yes, sir.
think that
Same, sir. That thing.
What is the value of what is the value here? It is 1 0, na?
No, sir. How you are writing like x y bar like that?
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Did you get this point? Did you guess this point? X 0 0.
Yes.
How to write x and y? How to write x and y? Tell me.
Yes. Yes, sir.
How to write x and y? Tell me. In this
Sir,
case,
here x is 0 and y is 0, so xy.
x is 0, y 0. That means x 0 means x bar, y 0 means y bar. So we can write x bar, y bar.
Yes,
If
sir.
we have 0 1, x is 0 means it is x bar, y equal to 1 means y. So x bar y. 1 0, this one. That means x is 1 means x, y equal to 0 means y bar. Here it is 1 1 means x equal to 1 means I have to write x, then y equal to 1 means I have to write y, so it is xy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you observe this decimal point, decimal 1. So I have to focus over here. First, second row. Second row, it is x bar y. That's why M1 is substituted using x bar y. You focus on M2. It is xy bar. So M2 is replaced with xy bar. You focus on xy. That means third. So third means xy. So in this way, we have written all those things.
Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's okay, but whenever I'm saying that, you try to clarify your doubt. We have moved for 10 minutes ahead, then we are again coming back to earlier step. It is difficult. Please follow the class properly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now the thing is that now here we have x bar y. Here x bar means here, let me use different color. I think ये वाला visible नहीं होगा. Here, what is the value? Oh, just wait 1 minute. Now, here we have written M1 as a x bar y, because from this table we already got this one. So x bar y, what is the value of x bar? X bar means 0 and y means 1. Because we have already obtained these things from this one, you check x bar y 0 1. Now here it is x equal to 0. So if x equal to 0, I have to look in the first row. Then y equal to 1. So I have to look in the second column. So first row, second column. The common position is this one. So here it should be 1. Is it clear? Or should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Clear.
Is there anyone who is
X
facing
bar
issue?
is 0, not x is 0.
Oh,
Sir.
again the same thing.
X bar is 0, not
I
x
know
is 0.
x bar is 0, but the thing is that I have the two values, na? X can take either 0 and 1. Here I am writing 0 in the form of x bar. That means if I write this, it is x, it should be x bar. Some conventions you have to follow. So
Okay,
that's
sir.
why.
Okay.
Now the thing is that if x is 0 over here, because it is we have x bar, so x equal to 0, so then I have to follow the first row. Then y equal to 1 means I have to follow the second column. So first row, second column, so this box is common, so I have to write 1. Is it clear, or is there any doubt? Is there any student who is facing issue?
Oh, sir.
Any
Sir,
student?
why you are writing 1?
Why you are writing? Because I have to simplify the problem, that's why.
Okay, sir.
Because the thing is that you observe this one, it is given in OR position. So any 1 is 1, output will be 1, na? That's why I'm writing 1. Okay, another convention is also available using 0, that will be learned later. Okay, there now let's try to solve this one. X equal to 1 and y equal to 0 over here, because we have y bar. So as x equal to 1, so that means I have to focus on second row, and y equal to 0 means I have to focus on first column. So second row, first column means this box is common, so I have to write 1. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any student is facing issue? Any student is facing issue? Anyone? Because
sir.
after solving this problem, again we will solve new problem. Then do not tell me, sir, how to solve this one. अभी कोई issue है तो बोलो तो then we can clarify. हाँ बोलो.
तो वो फर्स्ट कॉलम मतलब थोड़ा रिपीट.
First column तो यही वाला अभी किया ना. What is the value? This one. This term is over, so focus on this term. What is the value of x? That means combination is 1 0. So x
Yes,
is
sir.
taking 1. So I have to focus on second row because x is 1 now over here.
Yes,
Then
sir,
y
yes.
equal to 0.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
first column. So second row, first column. So this box is common. So I have to write in this box.
So
Okay.
why would it write there are two beside one?
What?
So वहाँ पर हम two क्यों नहीं लिखे? मतलब we are previously done ना 1 0 वो column में decimal equivalent is 2. So why there we write
No,
1?
it is we are trying to simplify this fx na. F
Okay,
can
हाँ.
take either 0 or 1. We cannot
Oh.
write 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so second term is over. Let's focus on third term. It is xy. Xy means 1 1. So x value is 1. So again we have to focus
So
on
second row, second column.
Yes, second row, second column. So this one. Up to this, is there any doubt? Any student is facing any issue? Any student is facing any issue? Okay. Now, then I have to, then I can make one pair. Then I can make one pair. In this pair, those who are speaking, please mute yourself. Okay. In this pair, I can, because those are successive. Okay, I can make this pair. So here, what is the common? What is the common in this pair? Out of two boxes, only x is common. So I can write it is x.
X is common.
Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, any student is facing any issue? Because I'm trying to making, that means comparing two boxes, successive two boxes. Okay, so that's why. How to make those comparison will come later.
Sir, please repeat the last thing what you
Because
said.
yes, I have 3 1 here, 1 here, 1 and here 1. Now I have to simplify this one using this box. How to simplify? The rules are there. I will come later after solving 3-4 problem. But right now, suppose I want to make a simplification using this box and this box. So I'm considering only this circular point. Okay, this circle. In these two boxes, which portion is common? In both cases, x is 1, but y is varying. So as x is common, so I can take only common thing, not the portion which is varying. So only common portion is x. Up to now, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now these two part is over. Now again another thing is there, this box, but I can take this one also because I have to simplify this one. So when I am considering this box and this box, when I am considering this box and this box, then which one is common?
Y equals to 1.
Y.
Only y. Don't say y equal to 1.
Y, sir.
Don't say y equal to 1. Okay, it is an assumption how to solve the problem. Okay, only y is common. Now you check all the boxes where pair has been done or not. This box and these box are paired, and this box and these box are paired. So all ones are paired. So final result, f of xy equal to nothing but x plus y. It is my result. Okay, so if I have
So
only
it's like
x input-
convention. What would be?
Yes, bolo.
So it's like convention. What would be the common thing? We'll just add it up, and that will be the final result.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. So although we have lots of variables,
the x plus y. How x plus y? I didn't get it.
अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बोल रहा था ना, how did I obtain this thing? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बोल रहा था, तब क्या कर रहे थे भाई?
Yes sir, I understand sir. लेकिन वो x plus y कैसे हुआ वो f of x?
अच्छा, ये up to this one x आ गया, पता है? Up to this one, is
Yes
it
sir,
clear?
yes sir.
Up
Yes,
to
sir.
this one, is it clear? Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, now this box belongs to f because we are trying to simplify this f of xy using these boxes. Okay, then individual common portion has to be written with a addition sign. In this way, I have written x plus y. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
let's try to solve another 2-3 problem. Then the concept will be clear. Good, good. Okay, can we go to the next example?
Yes,
Can we
sir.
go to
Yes.
the next example?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Now it is a 3 variable problem. Here I'm writing simplify. Here I'm writing summation means addition. Here I'm writing 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What does it mean? 2 means what? Bolo.
M2 plus M3
M2. Then using
Zero.
two variables.
Zero, one.
Yes.
0 1
1
Zero,
0.
0
3
1
Yes.
0.
0 1 1.
0
One.
1 1
Zero, one.
0
1
0 1
Zero.
0 0
1 0
1
1 1
Zero,
1
one.
0.
Okay, so m2 is given, so it is nothing
Yes,
but it is given by m2 plus m3 plus m4 plus m5. M2 is written in this way, all the decimal equivalent is, that means in binary convention, is given. Okay, so this part, if I want to write this boxes, here I'm writing x, here I'm writing y and z. Okay, so as we have y and z, the variable can be take 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Agree? These combinations, 4 combinations are possible, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Because I have to simplify
sir.
variable. That's why. But in a 2D plane. So in x-axis I have to write at least 2 variable, and y-axis I have to write 1 variable. So in y-axis I have written only x, which can take either 0 and 1, and x, and along x direction, that means horizontal axis, I can write only 2 variables, and remaining 2 variables are yz. So yz can take 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt? Any student is facing any issue? Any student is facing any issue?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then those 4 combinations are written in different manner. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Why? I will come later. Again, we will solve 2-3 problems, then I will come. Not right now. Okay. You observe, here the sequence is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, but here the sequence is breaking 0 0 0 1 1 0 then 1 1. Okay, why it is happening, we will come later. Not right now, maybe in the next class. That means tomorrow, I believe tomorrow I have class, na? So tomorrow we may discuss why it is coming in this way, but not today. So all things are interrelated, because we left one code, gray code we didn't learn. Okay, that's why. I believe, let me check this routine. Do we have the class tomorrow? Yes, we have class tomorrow, so we can cover this topic tomorrow. Why we are writing those things? Is it clear up to this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is there any student
Yes.
who is facing issue? Is there any student who is facing issue? Any student is facing issue? अभी है तो बोलो, नहीं तो फिर रिपीट करना है ना बार बार, तो इशू होता है, वी आर नॉट फॉरवर्डिंग. हाँ, any student is facing issue? Okay, so now 2 m2 means it is simple 0 1 0. Clear? Okay, let's write over here. M2 means 0 1 0. Yes or no? Because we know na this one combination. Okay, so let's write.
Column, first
Okay,
row,
let's,
fourth
okay.
column.
First row,
Now
last.
x is 0, x is 0 is over, then 1 0 1 0, so this one 0 1 0. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
student is facing any issue? Is there any student who is facing any issue?
Again,
Any
sir.
student?
Sir, please
Okay.
say again.
Huh. What M2 means 0 1 0. Up to this, is it clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the value of it? Is x, it is y, it is z. X is 0 means I have to focus on first row. Then 1 0. Identify where is 1 0. It is 0 0. It is 0 1. It is 1 1. It is 1 0. So 1 0. So this row. Sorry, this column. So this column, this row. So this is the common region. So here I have written 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now M2. M2 means, sorry, M2 is over. M3 means 0 1 1. So 0 1 1.
So first or third column.
First row, third column. Okay. Is it clear? Any student is facing issue?
So why are you writing ones there?
What?
One in
Okay,
this
here
row
it
and
is. Yes, here I told again. That means I told a few minutes earlier. Here we are writing one convention. Okay, so here we have to write one because I'm trying to express all terms as a product of summation. You observe all are product of summation. M2, those are product, M3 product, then summation, product of summation format. So as we are using product of summation format, so I am writing 1. If I express all those terms in summation of product form, then I have to solve the same problem using 0.
Zero.
We will solve. Don't worry. We will solve 1 or 2 problem. Don't worry. Okay. Up to this, up to M3, is there any doubt? Up to M3, is there any doubt? Can we go to the next M4? Can we go
Yes, sir.
M4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone is facing any issue in M2 and M3? Any student is facing any issue M2 and M3? Bolo. No student?
No, sir.
Okay. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, now M4. M4 means 1 0 0. 1 0 0 means
First column, second row.
Second row, first column.
Second row, first column.
Second row, first column. Yes. Then
Then second
M5.
row, second column.
M5 means 1
Second
0
row, second
1.
column.
1
Second
0
row,
1.
second column.
Second column, second row.
Okay. Now make combine. Now combine. Now I can make this combination. I can make this pair. What is the common between two? What is the common? X is
X
common.
bar Y.
So
X bar Y.
But X is common, but it is 0, so it should be X bar. Then
X
Y
bar Y,
is
sir.
common. X bar Y. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No. Sir,
Any student is
please
facing
explain again it, sir.
Yes,
X bar Y.
sure. Now you focus on these two boxes. Okay, this one and this one. In these two boxes, which one is common? What is the value of X in these two boxes?
0.
0. So it is 0 means X bar. As per our
Yes,
convention. Na? Now,
Yes, sir.
again, now X is over. Forget X. Now focus on Y, Z. Here Y and Z's values are given. 1 1 and 1 0. Now out of those two, which one is common?
1.
1 for what value?
Sir, in both terms, 1 1 and 1 0, 1 is common.
1 is corresponding to what?
Y common.
Y is common. Okay, so 1.
Yes.
So 1 is corresponding to Y, so that's why Y. So that's why you have written X bar Y. Okay,
sir.
Good.
Okay.
Up to, is it clear right now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
very
sir.
good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Now
Clear.
focus. कौन करेगा? जिसको आता नहीं है वो बोलो. ये वाला नेक्स्ट करेंगे. किसको आता नहीं है बोलो. Anyone facing issue? जिसने नहीं किया उसको बोलो. उसको बोल रहा हूँ. जिसने नहीं किया है उसको बोल रहा हूँ. It is only for weak student.
X Y bar. X Y bar.
कोई फोकस ना. जिसको नहीं आता है करना वो बोलो.
Sir, X Y bar.
Again the same thing. भाई सुनो थोड़ा. Any student is facing any issue? How to segregate? Any student is facing any issue? Okay, no student is there. Any student? Any student? Okay, then
Sir.
I will solve. हाँ बोलो.
सर उधर Z का मेंशन क्यों नहीं हुआ? एक मतलब X बार और Y.
हाँ यहाँ पे z का वैल्यू कितना है, इस बॉक्स में z का वैल्यू कितना है
1 1
एंड इस बॉक्स में z का वैल्यू कितना है
0 0
so it is 1 0, it is not common in both boxes, this value should be common. Okay, you
Okay,
check
Okay,
y
sir.
is
Okay.
common,
Okay,
y
sir.
is 1 in both boxes, y is 1, but z is varying, so we cannot write varying variable. That's why you didn't write z. Now is it clear na?
okay sir, thank you.
Okay, very good, very good. Now focus on last two ones. Here x is 1 common, so I can write it is x. So let's write over here. It is x as it is 1. Then we have 0 0 and 0 1. So again y is common. So y. So 0 means y bar. So that means x y bar. So finally f of x comma y comma z is nothing but x bar y plus x y bar. It is nothing but XOR gate. Huh?
Correct, sir.
Okay, is
Sir,
it
I have
clear?
a question, sir.
हाँ बोलो, क्या डाउट है बोलो.
Sir, we have inputted the value of yz 1 1 on third column, right?
और एक बार बोलो
But
कौन से बी स्पेसिफिक, आई एम अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. कहाँ पे बोल रहे हो, कौन सा M2 M3 M4 ऐसा करके बोलो ना, कौन से में बोल रहे हो.
no, sir, the value of 1 yz 1 1 on we have inputted it on third column, and the value of yz 1 0 we have inputted in fourth column. But as per the decimal or binary unit, we get 1 0 at first, and
Yes,
that is 3
yes,
and 1.
yes, I told few minutes
Sir will
earlier.
say that later.
Later I will say, though I will explain that thing in next class, tomorrow's class. Okay, I told again.
Okay.
Don't worry, we didn't learn gray code. Okay, we didn't learn gray code. GRAY कहाँ पे है gray code. Once we know the gray code, then we can understand why we are writing. Okay, okay, so
Yes.
that's why. Don't worry. So
Thank you, sir.
okay, it's okay, good. So can we go to the next example?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Yes, sir.
in the previous, sir, one
Previous.
doubt.
Bolo.
Sir, we take one in y as one is common in both cases.
Both boxes, yes.
Both boxes. Sir, if we consider the first column and third column,
First column and third column, we cannot consider. Those are not adjacent box, na? Those are not adjacent.
There is no common in between them.
We
Okay, sir.
first you first observe one or two problem, try to solve one two problem, then you will understand how to make a simplification. हाँ अभी नहीं होगा क्योंकि if we want to derive any rule or thumb rule, okay, we have to solve at least 4 5 or 10 12 experiments. Once we perform those experiments, we can derive those thumb rule. So that's why you are creating thumb rule. Okay, I know how to explain, but अभी नहीं बोल सकते. Okay, just wait, let's try to solve 4 variable problem, then I can explain everything. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
let's move to the again 3 variable problem, and I will not explain all those things in detail. Try to solve by yourself. 3 4 6 sorry 7. Okay, I'm writing the answer, you verify the answer. You verify the answer, and I'm giving only 2 to 3 minutes because simplification in Carnot is very easy, you follow the same rule. So M3 M4 M6 M7, you solve by yourself and check with my steps. So that means 3 0 1 1 4 1 0 0 6 4 1 1 1 0 7 1 1. X Y Z 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 triple 1. Okay, now
Yes, sir, I get you, sir.
okay, very good. Here
Yes,
the
sir, हो गया.
Getting, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got it,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
we can write here it is two boxes, one, that means here it is 0 0, so from this we can write x z bar, so that means equal to p plus x z bar.
Excuse me, sir.
Bolo.
So why didn't we take y common from first,
Because here,
second
here
row,
we
third
have
column,
only
and
one
second row,
boxes.
fourth column?
Here you observe. You are talking about this one?
So second row, third column, and second row, fourth column.
Second row, third column, and second. Oh, that means you are talking about. Okay, just wait one. That means I could have taken these simplifications. Agree? You are asking this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you observe. First, I have taken this one and this one. So those one is
Yes, sir.
over. Now remaining is this one and this one. Now the thing is that as I have taken, you can simplify again. You can have to simplify again. But as I have taken, I have simplified using this one and this one. The remaining this one and this one are adjacent because it is a spherical surface. Because those surface and those surface are connected.
Yes, sir.
In this way. Suppose I am writing these boxes. Suppose 1, 2, 3. Suppose
Sir,
this
can
one.
we do map rolling?
Huh? Sorry.
Sir, by map rolling, we can join the two corners.
Map rolling means what do you mean by map rolling?
So that Karnaugh map rolling,
Yes,
map folding.
that is I'm explaining now. Those here it is, suppose it is first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So it is box for first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So you check first column and fourth column are interrelated. Okay, because
Yes,
it is
sir,
a
that I got.
sphere. So that's why. Similarly, okay, let's try to solve a higher problem. Then it will be easy. Okay. Okay, so that's why I have added. That means I have combined this one and this one. Okay, now out of 4 variable, 4 1, we have taken all 4 1. That's why you are not using this black one, this black circle. Now is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now let's move to the 3 variable हो गया, 4 variable कहाँ पे है भाई? Let's try to solve 4 variable problem. Now 4 variable. If W X Y Z 4 variable, what is the maximum decimal value? What will be the maximum decimal value? Bolo.
Sir, 15.
Very good. 0
15,
1
15.
2 4 5 6 8 9 12 13 14. Okay, try to solve. I am giving the hints. Try to solve using M1, writing M1, M2, M3.
WX and YZ.
हाँ होगा, don't worry. Here I am writing XY. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here I am writing, sorry. Here it should be WX, then YZ. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now the hints is given. Try to solve this one. I'm writing the answer. F is nothing but Y bar, W bar, Z bar, প্লাস এক্স। হ্যাঁ হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ 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 ক্যাম্পাসে আছি আমি, হ্যাঁ 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 আমি এসেছি ওই সোমবার সকালে এসেছি, পৌনে 4টে নাগাদ। হুম হ্যাঁ 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 অনেক বলেছিল, হ্যাঁ। হুম 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 ঠিক আছে, কটার সময়? হুম ঠিক আছে। হুম 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 হ্যাঁ 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 সেটাও ঠিক। হুম 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 হ্যাঁ 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 আচ্ছা। ও চারজন মানে আমি আর তুমি, আর দুজন কে কে? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা জিডিপি, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওই চারজন, ঠিক আছে বুঝতে পেরেছি বুঝতে পেরেছি। হুম 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 আচ্ছা আচ্ছা সে ঠিক আছে। হুম 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 আচ্ছা 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 হুম 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 আচ্ছা হুম হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পেরেছি। হুম বুঝতে পেরেছি বুঝতে পেরেছি। হুম হুম ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমাকে ডেকে নেবে একবার, যখন যাবে বলবে, আমি চলে যাবো একদম। হুম 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 ঠিক আছে। হুম হুম ওকে 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 শিওর। ওকে okay, sorry because I had one call from Wadren. Okay, now bolo, did you get solved, did you solve this one? Anyone solve this one?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, those who are trying to solve those problems, they solve and we are solving. Okay, it is for only for weak student. Okay, anyone is facing issue, we will solve. Bolo, abhi bolo. Anyone doesn't know, anyone doesn't know how to solve this one? Yes, sure. Now here what is the meaning of 0? How to write 0 in 4-bit? Bolo try karo, how to write
0 0 0 0.
yes
40.
it is only for weak student. Those who are able to solve, they solve by themselves. I have given the answer. Okay, it is only for weak student. Now next, how to write 1 using 4-bit?
0 1
No
0 0
triple
0 0 1.
0 0 1
0 0
triple 0 1 triple 0 1. Then how to write 2?
0 0
0 0
0
1
0
0.
1 0.
Then how to write 4?
0 1 0 0.
Yes, 0 1 0 0. Very good. It is only for weak student. Okay, anybody doesn't know how to convert? Bolo, anybody doesn't know wo bolega. Anybody doesn't know how to convert 5 weak student ke liye bolo?
0 1 0 1
0
0 1 0
1
1
0 1. Very good, very good. Then 6
0 1 1 0.
0 1 1 0. Very good, very good. 8 1 0 0.
1 0 0 0.
Then 9 1 0 0 1. 12 means 8 plus 4, so 1 1 0 0. 13 means 8 plus 4 plus 1, so 1 1 0 1. 14 कौन बोलेगा? 14 कौन बोलेगा?
1
1
1
1
1 0 1 0
triple 1 0. Let me check. 8 4 2. Yes, triple 1 0. Very good, very good. Okay, now suppose take any one, this one. So first two variable is wx because you follow the convention wx, then last two yz, and I have given all those things. So 0 0 0 0. So this one Just wait 1 minute. Okay, here. So it is over. It is done. Now 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, this one. Then 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0, this one. So in this way you fill. Okay, it is only for weak student. Those who solve this one, it is good. It is only for weak student. Anybody facing any issue? Anybody facing any issue?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, bolo, jaldi bolo. Mera
I have a doubt too.
Okay. Sir, here you wrote 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So can we jumble those?
You cannot jumble. I told na, next class I will explain all those things. Why we are writing.
Okay.
Next
Sir.
class, थोड़ा wait करो. बोलो.
Sir, I have so in the fourth row, I'm getting 1 1 1 1 in this table, right?
What you are getting
Three
वो बाद
ones.
में होगा ना. I have given the result. You verify the result. Otherwise wait. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So those who are facing issue, it is only for them. जितना तक मैंने किया. बोलो. और किसी का कोई doubt है इतना तक जितना किया मैंने?
Sir, why you were writing 1 1 1 there?
What? Where?
Why you were writing 1 means in
Where?
that means in
the
boxes?
boxes. Because
Yes.
it is I told again. Now the third time I am repeating after 10 minutes interval the same question. The thing is that we are solving a particular problem. You focus here. We learn na product of summation and sum of product. We learn product of summation means this form and summation of product means this form. So as we are trying to solve this problem, I have to write 1. And if we try to solve this problem, that means summation of product, I have to solve this problem using 0. So observe this summation or multiplication sign, then you have to use those convention. Clear? हम लोग किए थे ना product of sum and summation of product. भूल गए? हम लोग नहीं किए क्या? Did you? हम लोग किए थे कि नहीं किए थे? Product of sum and summation of product.
Yes, sir.
किए थे. ठीक है? So that's why we are writing here 1. So in this way, all the student can write all 1 over here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am writing all those things. You verify. Okay. Now
Yes,
little
sir.
bit fast because I have another class. Okay, so now I can make one common from those 8 group. I can make group using 2, 4, 8, 16 in this way. So from this group, I have only one variable common, that is y bar. We got y bar. Okay. Then I can make these two, this one and this one, because those are also interrelated, na? Because this surface and this surface are interrelated. So using those simplification, I can write what I can write. Bolo. W bar Z bar. Okay. Now I have left only this one. So I can simply no. I can simplify this one. So let's cross this one and this one. So from this I can write x0 this 0. So it is x z bar. Con I can write x and z bar.
Sir, can we overlap a group to create another group?
Yes, we can overlap, because the thing is that I have one na. I have to, because initially using this box and this box, I have accumulated on all the ones except this one. So if I want to accumulate single one, I have to write 4-bit W X Y Z. But we are trying to simplify na. So as many group can be formed using this one. So I can form a quad 4 group using four member, this member and this member. Okay, so this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay. Bolo.
Excuse me, sir.
Please bolo. I have another class. Jaldi bolo.
Sir, in the problem of 2 variable and 3 variable, we made 2 pairs.
Yes.
pair using two numbers, 1 and 1.
Yes.
But sir, here when we are taking y bar common, we are taking from 8 pair.
Yes, we have boxes, na? I have 16 boxes. So I can make all this pair. The thing is that pair should be done in this form, 2 to the power n format. We cannot take 3 members. We cannot make 5 members because we cannot write those things as a 2 to the power n format. So that's why. So it is not accepted. So 2, 4, 8, 16 are possible. In two variable problem means 2 to the power 2 means 4. So I can make a pair using 4 or 6. Okay. So that's why. So my final result is f equal to y bar, then addition, then this one, w bar, z bar, then this one, x, z bar. Okay. You always remember when we are trying to solve a 4 variable problem, always remember 4 variable problem means first, second, third, fourth, first, second, third, fourth. It is column and it is row. This column and this column are interrelated. Okay, like this one, space 1, 2, 3, 4. Those you observe 1 and 3, 4 are interrelated. When we are using row, then this row, upper row and last row are interrelated. You have to remember. Okay. So in this way, by using this thumb rule, you can solve any problem. Okay, let's stop today's class because I have another class. It is already started from 10. Okay. So tomorrow we have scheduled class. We will meet over there. Okay. We will solve another 2-3 problem. Then I will explain. Why you are. That means why we are using this code. Okay. Why you are using this